heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
If you could ask God for anything, and you know He'd say yes.
I want to be wise. That way I can live right.
And the moonlight overthrew ya.
Marry me.
She tied you to her kitchen chair. She broke your throne, she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah,
You sing about God in your songs, don't you?
I sing about things that I'm passionate about.
I'm proud of you.
Noah.
Joy.
Maybe there's a God above, but all I ever learned from love is how to shoot somebody who outdrew ya. It's not a cry to hear at night, it's not someone who's seen the light. It's a cold air, it's a broken